differentiated instruction referred to in an inclusive education? The answer ketiga number B. Modifying teaching techniques to meet the diverse needs of students. Then question number 4, on which legislation for the concept of inclusive education in India. Jadi answer number B. The Right to Education Act 2009. Number 5, what is the role of a special educator in an inclusive classroom? The answer ketiga number B. To support the student with special needs and help adapt the curriculum. Dan Barnrew ketika which of the following is an example of reasonable accommodation in an inclusive education setting? Answer ketika number B. Providing extra time for exam for students with learning disability. Number 7, which of these is not a barrier to inclusive education? The answer is number C, adequate resources and support. Question number 8, which of the following is an important aspect of inclusive education for children with special needs? The answer is number A, regular assessment based on the general curriculum. And welcome back on what is the role of peer in inclusive education? The answer ketiga number B, to collaborate with teachers and provide support to children with special needs. Number 12, which is the most effective approach to implementing inclusive education? The answer ketiga number C, encourage peer interactions and social integrations. Terus tekan number 4, what is the main purpose of using assistive technology in an inclusive classroom? The answer ketika B, to provide individualized support to students with disabilities. Number 4, which of the following is an example of learning disabilities? Nomor answer B. Bagi learning disability ketika dyslexia. Number 13, what is universal design for learning UDL in an inclusive education context? Answer number 6, a flexible approach to all teaching that accommodate all learner needs. Number 7, which of the following is a fundamental principle of inclusive education? The answer number 6, diversity should be recognized and valued in the classroom. Number 7, what does the term inclusion mean in the context of education? The answer ketika number B, educating all students regardless of their abilities in general classroom. Our country what type of support can be provided to students with special needs in an inclusive classroom? Answer ketika number B, adaptation to the teaching method, environment, or assessment techniques. Which of the following best describe mainstream in inclusive education? The answer ketika number B, teaching children with disabilities in general education classes with minimal support. Answer number 4, what role do parents play in the process of inclusive education? Answer number 3, they collaborate with teachers to support their children child learning. Which of the following is an example of a modification in an inclusive classroom for a child with a physical disability? Answer number B, changing classroom seating arrangement for easier access. But from which of the following strategies is important for fostering social inclusion in the classroom? Answer number A. Encouraging cooperative learning and peer support. Number of week on how can a teacher address the diverse learning need of a student in an inclusive classroom? Number C. By offering flexible learning opportunities and differentiated instructions. Number aku on what is the most important factor for successful inclusive education? Answer number B. A teacher commitment to adapting their teaching to meet diverse needs. The second number apple like on which of the following is not a type of disability that may require inclusive education? Answer B. Gender differences. Article on what is the role of peer support in inclusive education? The answer is number B. To promote collaborations, empathy, and social skills among all students. Number of in an inclusive classroom, what is the importance of teacher attitude towards students with disability? As a teacher should have high expectations and provide support for all